Hello folks, this is Steve AV4EL. This is what I call my landing strip. In the summer I keep it well mowed in case people, like just happened recently, somebody is getting pulled over for speeding, or they've run out of gas, a flat tire, fire, all those kind of things have happened. And often they're able to pull here and see that it's safe and the car won't fall into a ditch and turn over. Now I'll put a link to a video I posted that I recorded at night on the 16th of December 2023, just 2 weeks ago, in which there was a car here, an SUV, and a police cruiser, and then a tow truck came and they put the SUV up on it and they signed some kind of piece of paper with a police officer. She handed it to them and they drove away with the car. And I couldn't figure out why there would be a police officer if it was something like I ran out of gas and I needed to get a tow truck. Maybe I found the answer. Maybe I found the answer. I was out here a few minutes ago cleaning up the trash that people throw out of their vehicles as they come around the corner. And I noticed this. And that. And this. I haven't touched this yet. It's rained since. I think they're related. I think they're related to what happened on the 16th. There may have been a collision coming around the corner, but I don't think that's what it is. I think there was some kind of collision out there. And the pieces were thrown to get them out of the road. Now, could there have been a rear end coming around the corner where one person decided to hit the brakes while the other one thought he was going to accelerate, like they try to do to me? Actually, I think that's a better scenario. It explains why that's over there. And so, I only saw one vehicle involved, but there may have been another one. And it had already been towed. And that's why there was a police cruiser here, waiting for the second car to be towed, after the first one clearly had been removed. Now that's all conjecture, but the damage was bad enough that whoever it was didn't think they needed to take the pieces with them. And I can see why. This kind of assembly would be just replaced as a piece. And the taillight assembly would also be replaced as a piece for the way cars are made now. So excuse me for bending your ear for so long. Maybe I should open this up and there's a bulb in here I can use in my car. Who knows? Let's get it all. Now, I'm going to remind you of something. This is the last thought. If you go down that road all the way to Andrew Hunter Boulevard, right as you then stop to turn left onto Andrew Hunter Boulevard, straight across, there are still pieces of an auto accident where somebody went right across and hit the embankment and smashed the front of their vehicle, and the big pieces are still there from like 4 months ago. Why bother to clean them up? Maybe they'll come back later and want them. So I'll just leave those there. Steve AB4L. I hope no one was injured. And thank you to the people who come out to help you when you get into trouble, like the police cruiser and the tow trucks. Saying see you in 73.